Welcome back to this exciting vlog about COVID wedding, and the best part is that it's a South Indian wedding that I'm going to attend for the first time. This was arranged by Hakunan matata event. From the part of decoration to food to the beautiful makeup and the costume arranged for the bride was just so beautiful. The best part for me was the tradition where they eat on the banana leaf, because I feel that that you are contributing towards the ecosystem. If you have any private or corporate event or even like a wedding or engagement or birthday, anything, you can please contact Hakunan matata events, because the hard work has been shown immensely by Mr. Mohan Babu and his team. I have seen them again and again going to the venue just to make sure that the location and the decoration and setup is done beautifully and amazingly. I am the witness. I have seen it because I had gone with Shweta. You will be seeing Shweta later in the vlog. That's my look. And the heart-shaped walking path and beautiful floral entry, or pastel color. I'm just in love with this. And social distancing के हिसाब से कम कुर्सियाँ, कम guest, like minimum people. So उसके हिसाब से seating arrangement. There they are doing the photo shoot, and this is the actual place where the marriage ceremony had taken place. And this is the place where like people or the guest can walk, and that's a villa, so people can just go and take a rest over there. And झूला प्यारा सा, like any guest can sit, आप बैठ के photo निकाल सकते हो. I'll just show like a 360 view. So this is a place where the guest can rest, or ये पूरा like you can just walk, take pictures like. So behind, that's how the seating arrangement is for having food. Let's have a look. Even if you're attending a wedding in the pandemic, they have kept the safety concern in mind, and you can see that everyone is following social distancing properly, and then they are eating, and highest level of safety standards are maintained. Everyone who is working is properly wearing a mask and sanitizing their hand. And obviously the traditional Tamilian food is there properly. This can be chosen even for any other birthday or engagement functions as well. So this is like a separate place just from here, from the main villa. So you can come here also to take pictures. And I mean, अगर मैं यहाँ पे रहूँ ना, I don't know how many pictures I'll end up clicking. The best part is to eat with your hands. That's just amazing. I love it, eating on banana leaves and eating with your hands. I never attended this wedding before. It was looking very messy, but this is the room to get ready. This was basically for the bride, and here they are clicking pictures with the family and post Indian wedding games chal rahe abhi. So guys, how can we miss a beautiful Shweta? I love the color of her sari, and you know, she comes with me in the vlogs every day, but today she has not cooked food for me because yeah, I have seen her, yeah, she had worked so hard. So guys, the event is over and हम लोग घर पे जा रहे हैं. That's your vlog, Shweta. इसके बारे में आप लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज कर करके परेशान कर दिया. श्वेता किधर है, श्वेता किधर है, मैं बहुत मेरे बारे में. Thank you so much. और हाँ, साउथ में शादी सुबह के 6 बजे होती है. आपको बहुत करते हैं,